We hope that our service will be a blessing for you. Our services are about the gospel of Jesus Christ. Okay, game. Our services are about... Noorin lang ito sa Facebook. This is a community of God, the church coming together. Now, I want you to know, to think that this is not something that's just sitting there or just, ulit. Uy, umusog ka dyan, Je! Ano nakatingin?
Umusog ka dyan, Je!
Ganito. Yan. Dito ka! Ayan! Dito ka. Ano pa naman sa'yo?
Harap na ako dito, kuya. Yung finish mo niya. Wala kong makita.
Je, wag, masyado ko.
Kaya mo ba?
Yan.
Sabi na mag-buwet, grabe ba? Sinabulit ko pa dito.
Okay, game.